welcome to the checkout guide. In today's video, I'll show you how to display only ID for customers in the Netherlands using the Next Yoda app. So this gives Dutch customer a faster and more familiar checkout experience. So if you're new to this channel, please subscribe, like, share, comment and press the bell icon. Let's get started. First, we can go to the app. Then here we can click on Next Yoda app. So here we can choose the quick hide payment method. So to configure the rule, here we can give the name like hide other pay door. Okay, now the rule status is activated. Now we can hide some payment methods so that H1 is cash on delivery. Then then one by one we can go to the store first and look for the checkout section so that okay, go to the checkout section. Here we can see there is lots of payment option. Copy this. Now here we can hide it. Here we hide some payment methods and here we have to give the condition so that click on it and you click on shipping country. Then you can choose the Netherlands. Okay. Click on done. Now we can click on save and let's see if it is changed or not. Go to the checkout section and let's refresh. Now it is in Netherlands. Let's refresh it. Sorry, here they can is not to come see. Now we can go to the checkout section and let's refresh it. Okay, here we can see only iDEAL. Apple Pay also deal. Okay, you can look that too. Okay, now click on save. Then go to the checkout and let's refresh. Okay, here we can see only this iDEAL payment method we can see for Netherlands. So that's it. We'll see the iDEAL available for customer from the Netherlands. So you have successfully shown only iDEAL for Dutch shopper using the Next Yoda app. So if you found this helpful, please subscribe, like, share, comment and press the bell icon. Thank you for watching. Have a great day.